12th question, ABCD. Okay, show that ABCD is a trapezium. So we already know about the trapezium should be parallel, right? So this is parallel to this part. Okay, but now we are learning about the slope. In a slope, parallel means your slope should be equal. Your m1 equal to m2. You already know about, right? So by using that, you are going to find out your slope. So any two sides should be equal, then that should be form a trapezium. Okay, that's the only format. So solution. So I written A, B, C, D values. So what is the combination? A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. So this is my combination. We are going to find out your slope. So what is the slope formula? The slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This formula only we are going to do. So the slope of AB, okay, AB. So this is my y2 minus 4. This is my y1. So 4 by 9 minus 3. Okay. So minus minus plus into minus. So minus 4 by. So subtracting this, how much you are getting? 6. So minus 8 by 6. Cancelling this, how much it will come in 2 table? Minus 4 by 3. Okay. So this is the first one. Then BC. The slope of BC. So BC. So this is my y2. y1 is minus of minus plus of minus 4 by. Oh, sorry. In this place we are having a minus, right? So directly I written a positive. Minus into minus. So place 0. Obviously my answer should be 0, right? Okay. Then BC, what's this? So I am having minus 7. So minus of minus 4. Then 5 minus 9 minus 7 minus into minus plus 4 by. Subtracting this, how much you are getting? 5 minus 9 minus 4. So minus minus. So this is how much? Minus 3 by minus 4. Minus minus cancel. So 3 by 4. Okay. Then slope of CD. Of CD is equal to C and D. So minus 7 minus of this is minus 7 by 7 minus 5. So 0 by any number. It's become 0 only. Okay, 7 minus into minus, obviously plus, right? So 0. Then the slope of DA. DA. So D minus 7 minus of minus 4 by 7 minus 3 minus 7 plus 4 by this is what? 4. So what we are getting? So in this place what we are getting? So 7 minus 3, so I am getting a 4 minus 4 minus 7, so minus 3 by what I am getting? Minus. So in this place the slope of AB equal to CD, right? In a trapezium, opposite sides, okay, one of the opposite sides should be parallel and another one is a non-parallel. So in this place we are having a same slope should be same means, so this is a parallel and this is a non-parallel. So therefore, so AB, slope of AB equal to slope of CD. So AB is parallel to CD. Therefore ABCD forms a trapezium. Okay, this is the end slope. Then now we are going to see about the 13th sum. A quadrilateral has a vertex at A, B, C, D. Okay, this is a quadrilateral, four-side figure, whatever it is. Show that the midpoint of its sides form a parallelogram. Okay, they given a 4 points. Let's form a four-side figure. We don't know what shape it will come. Okay, so for my convenience I am taking quadrilateral four side figure. Whatever four side figure you need to draw, B, C and D. Okay, so whose midpoint? So this is my midpoint. Okay, so this is P, this is Q, R and S. Its form, if you join, whose midpoint forms a parallelogram. So okay, so you are going to prove this is your parallelogram. That's a major task. So first of all, I know my P point only, P, Q, R, S only. I can find out this is a parallelogram or not. So what can I do? P is a midpoint of AB. So I can find out midpoint of AB, midpoint of ABC, midpoint of means I can find out P, Q, R, S, right? So first of all, I know about midpoint. Formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, these are the point. This is our formula. So the midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB is equal to which point? P. So P of, so what is the A point? Minus 4 comma minus 2. B is a 5 comma minus 1. Okay, so x1 is a minus 4, x2 is a 5 comma minus 2, minus into plus minus 1 by 2. So what's the P point? What is the P point? Minus 9 by, sorry, subtracting this, positive 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. So, okay, this is the first one. So P point I know. Then midpoint of BC. BC is what? Midpoint of Q. So I need a Q point, B and C point. B is a 5 comma minus 1, C is a 6 comma 5. So 5 plus 6 by 2 minus 1 plus 5 by 2. Right, so Q of 11 by 2 comma 4 by 2. So what's the Q value? 11 by 2 comma 2. This is the second value. Then CD, midpoint of CD. Midpoint of CD is equal to what? R. So what is the C value? 6 comma 5. D value minus 7 comma 6. Okay. So 6 minus 7 by 2, 5 plus 6 by 2. So R of, so subtracting this, how much it will come? Minus 1, right? Minus 1 by 2 comma, so addition of this 11 by 2. This is the third. Then midpoint of AD. This is nothing but my guess. What's my A point? Minus 4 comma minus 2. D is minus 7 comma 6. So minus 4 minus 7 by 2 minus 2 plus 6 by 2, right? Equal to yes. So addition of this 11 by this, subtracting this much 4 by 2. So how much you are getting? X 11 by 2 comma, so 4. So now I know P, Q, R, S values. Okay, the P 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2, Q is 11 by 2 comma 2, and minus 1 by R 1 by 2, and S is minus 11 by 2 comma 2. These are the points you are getting. Okay, so what they are asking? So parallelogram PQRS, these are the parallelogram. Now only we did one sum, right? That 11th sum, parallelogram sum. So what we did? So the diagonals, midpoint of the diagonal should be equal. Whether it is a equal means, so I find out points is equal. Okay, so what I am going to do? So midpoint of PR equal to diagonal, PR equal to midpoint of QS. Are you clear? So what's the P point? 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2, 11 by 2 comma 2. Okay, these are, so we all know the midpoint formula, so but we are going to do 1 by 2 plus 11 by 2 whole bracket 2 comma, what's the y, minus 3 by 2 plus 2 is equal to, what's the q value? Oh sorry, I wrote the q value. Sorry. P is this, how is this? So x, y. So minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. This is plus 11 by 2. Okay. Then QS. Q is 11 by 2 minus 11 by 2 whole bracket 2 comma 2 plus 2 by 2. So I am having like this, right? So this term cancels. So 0 by 2 is 0. So denominator is common 2. Minus 3 plus 11, how much it will come? I missed this 2 mark. So division of this 2. So 2 into the common 2. 2 into 2, 4. So cancelling this. So 2 times. It is equal. The midpoint is equal means, therefore, it forms parallelogram. It implies PQRS is the midpoint of sides of the parallelogram. Sides form a parallelogram.